government will carry most of the burden of taking care of patients in the country. Healthcare is given almost free in this country. Yeah, you go from Singapore, you know, you come across Johor Bahru, yeah, to get healthcare because we give our healthcare free. I've had American friends saying, "Is this really getting free?" Dia terperanjat, yeah. So I kata it's free, yeah. So healthcare costs will go up, escalate. Kalau people like you, people in the industry, help us a lot. Saya rasa you punya pekerjaan adalah very noble, ya. Because doctors are frontliners, tapi we are driven by the pharmaceutical industry. So your nutraceutical product ni is way beyond. Saya pun mind-boggling. Mula-mula saya dengar kolesterol boleh turun dalam 1 minggu. You know what does cholesterol drug do to you? Will bring a lot of problem to your liver. The more that you give to the patient, it does not bring down your cholesterol. Remember this, yeah? Your liver starts to become sick, yeah? So it's not going to help.